Okay, I think we're ready. Are you ready, Callie? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited because it's actually my first car vlog, but I am taking you guys to the grocery store with me. I am going to show you guys, like, basically this is a grocery shopping vlog. I was trying to set up this camera. I don't know how many of those phone mountain I need to buy. I just broke that one and I bought it like a couple months ago. I don't think they that good, to tell you the truth. Now I have to buy another one. But anywho, it's a beautiful day outside. As you guys can see, it's sunny, it's bright, it feels nice. Well, it's like 89 right now outside. But I am taking you guys to the grocery store with me. Today we're going to be shopping for a few items that I'm missing. It's not gonna be like a super huge grocery shopping vlog, but it's gonna be a few things that I need to buy. I will be making a recipe very soon, so I need to buy a few items. And I will be making like a beef stew tonight. So I'm basically buying a few of the items that I'm missing, basically. But before I do, I have to go stop by the gas station to put some gas. And I think I might make two stops, actually. I think I am gonna stop at Publix and the other store that we're going to. So if you're interested, keep on watching, like the video, comment down below if you guys like these type of videos. Let me know down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys later, I guess, after I done put gas in my car and actually inside the store. Hopefully they let me vlog. I am going to be vlogging, like vlogging, so hopefully they let me vlog in there. I'm pretty excited to show you guys the way I shop, basically. I did film how to clean your fridge video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you to check it out. Now, one thing I usually do when I'm going grocery shopping, I usually check my fridge to see what I'm missing, or if I'm gonna make an ingredients, I usually write down whatever I need and check if I have any of those items before I went ahead and buy stuff that I don't need. Today I am going to keep the budget really low. It's probably gonna be $40 or less for me to spend, so we're going to try to keep it low, try to budget yourself, not to waste money. Basically, it's all about saving and saving and saving. So if you're interested, guys, keep on watching. And yeah, I'm driving, I can't talk for too long, and Callie's in the car, so see you guys there. We have a pepper, I'm getting my bag because no touching, please, Callie. Oh, thank you. Tomatoes. This is why I can't go anywhere with this kid. I have to carry her while I'm shopping. How is this possible? But now I am picking up 2 cream cheese for I'm about to make a cream cheese sandwich. Cream cheese. I'm about to make a what you call it? A cheesecake for Halloween. So I'm thinking, should I buy it here or go to Publix? Because Publix have good quality stuff. That's why I like to shop at Publix. But I think I'm just gonna buy it here to save myself the trip. And then for the rest of the ingredients, I might have to go to Dollar General. It's gonna be something quick. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy the cream cheese here and go to Dollar General for the rest of the stuff. Alright guys, I ended up not vlogging as much as I wanted to in the store because Callie fell asleep on my arm and it was really hard to vlog, so I didn't vlog like I wanted to. Hey guys, so we're at Target. I am looking for a few stuff here at Target, so yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. Today basically I'm getting stuff for my little store that you guys know I have, Island Vibe Cooking Big Cartel. I'm buying a few items for the website because I'm adding a few stuff on there, like confiture, what else, I just added John and stuff like that. I'm buying packaging stuff and I'm still waiting for some stuff to come in. So I'm at Target getting a few stuff for the website and as well as some stuff for the house basically. So I'm taking you guys with me. And also, yeah, I'm here to buy some mochi, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'm here to get some mochi ice cream. Hopefully I can find it. I googled it, they said Target has it, so we're here today to get it. So yeah, let's go, I guess. Callie, ou pa ka mache avec Callie, faut mettre le là. Callie, met Callie en dedans là, maman. Callie, say hi. Say hi. Callie don't want to say hi. Anywho, let's go. Come on, Callie, let's go. We're going to the freezer. Mom, finale no. Mama, pa kite Callie krasi bay moun yo, no? Ice cream here. Milk. If they don't have it, I'm gonna be really mad. Because nope. Kids milk. So I see kids milk. I'm here. Look at them over there. I'm looking for ice cream. This is not ice cream. They have some cakes here. We have cake over here. Friendly ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. That's not what I'm looking for. Alright, we're at the freezer for ice cream. Ice cream. Come on. Häagen-Dazs. I don't think they have it, honestly. They never have. I can't find this ice cream anywhere. Anywhere. I had 2 people helping me finding it. It's crazy. Oh my gosh! They have them! Yay!
Thank you, Lisa Marie.
Thank you. I would have just leave without it. Oh my god, I got it.
There you guys go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, the only flavor they have is this mango? Sweet mango. Whoa, you guys. It's about to get lit. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I have a mochi ice cream. We just found the mochi ice cream. Thank God. I think I'm gonna get 2 for $10. Let's see if this is delicious as everybody. Now I can't even go to Walmart. Okay, I wanted to go to Walmart, right? I can't go to Walmart with an ice cream in my car, so I might have to just go home. I'm super excited to try them, but I wish they had more flavor. Nonetheless, I am grateful to find them. So let's see if they have any other flavors. Right, that's fine, you guys. I'm so excited, but I have a few stuff. Hey guys, so I just got my mochi ice cream and I'm super duper excited because I've been I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try this for like forever. I wish they had more flavors. They didn't. But if you're interested on seeing this video, it will be on my ASMR channel, so stay tuned. I will be uploading the video really soon, way before this vlog. So if you're watching this vlog right now, the video should be up on my ASMR channel. So I'm excited. I'm super excited, as you guys can see by my face. And I wanted a few other stuff, packaging stuff here. I didn't find them. Maybe I'll go there, go to Walmart tomorrow because my ice cream are melting and I need to get home. So I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow because I want this vlog to be super enjoyable and super long. See you guys tomorrow.